This YouTube video serves as a complementary resource to my preceding episode, where I discussed the discovery that our entire cosmos is expanding at the speed of light. The video aims to achieve the following objectives. 1. Clarify misconceptions surrounding the Hubble constant. 2. Provide a comprehensive step-by-step demonstration of the calculations presented in the previous episode. In essence, the Hubble constant, denoted as h0, can be understood as the quotient of the speed of light divided by the age of the universe. If we to put it differently, the Hubble constant h0 can be regarded as a mathematical mean representing the speed of light in vacuum over the duration of the universe's existence. Hence it is important to note that the rate at which the universe expands is intricately linked to the speed of light. Given the speed of light and the age of the universe, we can compute the Hubble constant by dividing the speed of light with the age of the universe.